So we have already completed the first chapter, that is food. Where does
Food
it come
where
from?
is come from?
Okay, fine. Every one of you have written the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Notes every one of you have completed. Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So today we will be starting up with the new chapter, that is components of food.
Ma'am?
Food and its components. So second chapter we will be starting, that is food and its components. It is similar to the first chapter. Okay. So what do you mean by ingredients, students? Yesterday I had made you to write the definition for ingredients.
Ma'am.
Can anyone read it out?
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am.
Okay, I will mute everyone now. I won't ask any
Ma'am, yes,
questions.
ma'am. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. We read everything.
Have read everything. Ananya, can you tell what do you mean by ingredient?
The obtain which we use to prepare a food is called ingredients.
The component which is used to prepare the food is known to be as an ingredient. So, ingredient. We will take an example of vegetable. Okay. We will take an example of vegetable. What does a vegetable consist of? You eat rice.
Ma'am.
Everyone eat rice. Everyone eat chapati. So
Yes,
what are
ma'am.
all those things made up of? They are made up of grains. So what does a grain consist of? What? Every one of you eat fruits?
Yes, ma'am.
Every one of you eat fruits. So what does
Yes,
a
ma'am.
fruit consist of? Is the question now. These fruits, vegetables, and the grains contain carbohydrate, right or wrong? Vitamins it contains, minerals are present, fats are present,
Ma'am,
proteins
disturbance.
are present. Wait.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಿದ್ದು
ಇದ್ರಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್.
Okay, students. So all these fruits, vegetables, grains, all this consist of nutrients. So what are these nutrients? Nutrients are nothing but which provide us protein, fat, carbohydrate, mineral to the body. To get energy. Why do we eat food? We eat food to get energy, right? We eat food to gain energy. We have to do lot many work. We have to write homework. We have to read. That is a very big work for you all now, right? So to do all this work, what is needed? Energy is needed. From where do you get the energy? You get energy from your food. Okay. Carbohydrate, fats give us energy. Okay. So similarly, minerals will give us iron content in the body, calcium content in the body. If iron is present, your blood will be more, your blood will be rich. Similarly, if calcium is present in your body, your bones will be strong, your teeth will be strong, right? So for doing all these things, you need a nutrient to your body. So what do you mean by nutrient now? Which are the nutrients I have mentioned now? Can you tell? Shreya? Shreya ji? Wait a minute. Yeah, Shreya, tell me. Only Shreya should unmute and answer. If I find anyone unmute in Harsha, mute it. Okay, tell me, Shreya.
Proteins, minerals, fats.
And I'm unable to hear you. Okay, Ananya, tell me. Yeah, Ananya.
Carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and roughages.
Very good. So what are nutrients now? The food that contains carbohydrate, mineral, vitamin, fat, roughage is known to be as a nutrient. So to do the work to gain energy, we need all these nutrients. These nutrients perform different work which is needed for a body, which is needed for a living organism. Okay. So now let us see, in food items there is a presence of carbohydrate. Imagine the rice which you eat. The rice which you eat. Everyone eat rice now? The rice which you eat is rich in carbohydrate. What do you mean rich in carbohydrate? It contains lot of carbohydrate in it. Okay, carbohydrate is also a nutrient which is needed to our body to gain energy. So, in this chapter, we will be studying about these nutrients, how to test these nutrients which is present in our food. There are certain tests that is being performed to test whether carbohydrate is present or protein is present or fat is present in the food which we eat. So let us know how to perform the test to confirm carbohydrate is
What
only
is the
there.
name of lesson?
Food and its components. I told at the first itself. Second chapter, food and its components. Okay, chapter number 2.
Then when do you will write the questions and answers?
I will give you the questions, you have to write the answers. Yesterday I gave already notes, in point wise I have given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I will be giving you questions on Monday. You have to write the answers on your own. In homework book you have to write. Okay, later I will tell what you have to write in classwork.
Ma'am,
Okay,
you will
students.
give notes point wise only.
Yeah, from 6th standard, point wise notes only will be given. Later
Yes, ma'am.
questions will be given which you have to answer.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Okay. Now every one of you muted.
Yes, ma'am.
I will be sharing you the screen now. Look at the video without talking. If you are talking, I will unmute everyone. There won't be any interaction from now. It's left to you. If not, I will be just go on teaching. Okay, students.
You will learn about the test for carbohydrates.
Video is visible. Video is visible. Okay.
In this module, you will learn about the test for carbohydrates, proteins, and fats.
So students, as you got to know that the nutrients contain carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins and roughages. So here you will be knowing how to test carbohydrates, proteins and fats. How do you test the food contains these components? How to test the carbohydrate, protein and fat? You'll be knowing now.
What are nutrients? Nutrients are chemical components present in the food.
So where are the nutrients present? They are present in the food. They are the chemical components.
They are required by our body for growth and energy.
Why do you need nutrients? You need nutrients for your growth and to gain energy. I told you, you're doing lot of work there in home, sitting at home. Right? Right or wrong? Lot of work you are doing. You're doing lot of studies there. To do that work, what is needed? Energy is needed. And for your growth, energy is needed. How do you get that? You get all those things from a nutrient. So what do you mean by a nutrient? Nutrient is a chemical component that is present in our food which we take, and it gives us energy and helps in the growth of an organism. It helps us to grow. It helps us to become fat. It helps us to become tall, to gain energy. So that is nothing but a nutrient.
The major nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals.
So already I have told you, students, what are the major nutrients? Make a list there. I will be asking you questions. Major nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So these are the major nutrients that are present in our food which we take. That is, from fruits you can get all these, from vegetables you can get all these, from grains, from cereals, from oil seeds. Okay, from oil you get all these nutrients. Okay.
The food that we eat contains one or more nutrients and also provides dietary fibers and water.
Okay. The food not only includes these nutrients, along with that it includes the fibers and also water. Even water we drink. So that is also considered to be as a food itself. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. At last you can ask me any questions if you have, Varun. Okay. I have muted you all. Again I won't unmute it.
How to test the presence of these nutrients in our food?
See, how can we test whether there is a presence of the specific nutrient in our food? Whether there is carbohydrate in our food, how do we test it? So to test all these things, you need iodine. What is needed? Iodine solution is needed. It is a chemical substance. Iodine solution is needed. Next, what you need? You need caustic soda. Okay, keep this in mind. What all you need? Caustic soda is needed, iodine is needed, and copper sulfate is needed. All these three are the chemical compounds which are used to test what is present in our food. Whether carbohydrate is present, fat is present, or protein is present. What is present? To know about that, we need caustic soda, copper sulfate, and iodine. All these are the chemical substances.
Let us test a food item
See now,
such as
test for starch. See, the rice which we eat, it contains a carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are mainly classified into starch and sugars. Understanding? Carbohydrate contains starch and sugars. The food which we eat contains starch and sugar. What do you mean by starch in simpler words? Manenalli ganji ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅನ್ನ ಬಸಿತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? We have seen that white color, what solution will be coming when rice is being boiled? That is nothing but the starch. Okay, that is nothing but starch. Ganji en baruttalla white color du adana starch antare. Okay, so that starch will be present in many food, but we can't see it directly. Even in potato, carbohydrate is present, but we don't know whether it is present or not. So how we get to know that, we'll see now. Right?
potato for the presence of starch, a type of carbohydrate. Iodine solution is required for this
As I
test.
told you already, what is required? To test carbohydrate, what is required? Iodine starch. Starch is nothing but carbohydrate. Don't get confused. Starch is nothing but a carbohydrate. It is a carbohydrate. Okay. To test about the carbohydrate, what is needed? Iodine solution is needed. How do we test it? Let us know now.
It is prepared by adding a few drops of tincture iodine into a test tube, half filled with water.
Okay, so here you can see what did they do. This is known to be as, this chemical apparatus is known to be as test tube. You might have seen or not, you have seen the test tube, right? So test tube, what they have added little amount of water. To water, 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution is being added. Tincture, to treat something injury in the leg and all, you use tincture, that will give you burning sensation, right? Tincture you might have seen in home, it will be there. Okay, so that tincture contains iodine. So what they have done, they have taken a test tube which is half filled, 1/4 filled with water. To that they have added an iodine solution. Now what do?
Now, cut the potato into 2 halves.
See that potato is being cut into 2 halves.
Spread the diluted iodine solution over the potato. The surface of the potato turns blue-black.
See the surface.
This
what it
indicates
is
the presence of starch in potatoes.
So what did it confirm? If iodine solution is added on the potato, it turns into bluish black in color. Which color it is turning? You can see there, blackish color. It is bluish black color. So it is turning into bluish black. So that confirms that in a potato there is a presence of starch, that is carbohydrate is present in potato. Similarly, if you want to test for rice, you can do that, or any item, any food item that contains carbohydrate. If you want to test, you can test in the same manner. You have to take a test tube. To that you have to add water and few drops of iodine. Later you have to put it on the food item. If it shows bluish black in color, that confirms that there is a presence of carbohydrate. It confirms there is a presence of carbohydrate. Clear with the students? Clear? Okay. Okay. Iram Fatima, unmuted. Okay. Tell me, what do you mean by nutrient now? Be fast. What is meant by nutrient?
Nutrients, nutrients which in food. Nutrients means which we get energy from it.
Only energy you'll get.
Energy.
For what purpose does the nutrient help us? You have seen 2 pictures there. One for energy, one for the
Potato.
Hey, don't give mass answers. Everyone should mute there. I am asking question. Only those students should answer. Who know the answer? Raise your hands. Okay, Rof, tell me.
For potato.
Rof, only Rof should answer.
For potato.
Rof, tell me, what do you mean by nutrients?
Ma'am, food provide
protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamins to get energy and growth.
Very good. So, the food which contains carbohydrate, vitamin, fat, mineral, protein that helps us for the growth and give us energy is known to be as a nutrient. Okay. So, what are the major constituents of nutrient? Raise your hands. Only I am able to see Ananya and Sinchana raising hand. What are the major components of nutrients? Poetry Vaibhav, tell me. Vaibhav,
Major
fast.
Ma'am, question.
Which are the major nutrients present in our food?
Caustic soda,
A. Which are the major
Caustic soda,
nutrients
iodine.
present in our food, man? Nutrients present in our food.
carbohydrates,
Very good.
carbohydrates,
Next.
protein,
Protein,
fats,
fats. Next.
vegetables,
Vegetables. Huh? Total 5 are there. Major nutrients. Saima, Umaima.
carbohydrate,
Carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals, vitamins. Very good. Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin and minerals are the major sources. So how can we test?
Ma'am, and also roughage.
Also roughage, that is nothing but the dietary
Ma'am,
protein. Wait.
Ma'am,
Varun,
ma'am,
how can you test
Yes, ma'am.
whether there is a presence of carbohydrate? How can you test?
ma'am, by iodine solution.
In iodine solution. Very good. Who can explain that? Who can explain that? Raise your hands.
We can try the potato one experiment.
See, you have to be silent. If not, I won't ask any question. Be silent. Vaibhav, you are making too much noise there. I'm warning you now. From tomorrow, it won't be done. Christopher, George. Okay, tell me. Explain.
Ma'am, we should take half 1/4 of water,
Okay.
and we should
In what you have to take? What is that? It is known as test tube. Test tube. You are testing a solution. So it is in the form of a tube. Testing in a tube. Test tube.
test tube, and we should put the iodine solution,
Okay, very good.
and we should take a potato
Yeah.
and cut it,
Okay.
and we should put that iodine solution
Very good.
so that it gets blue and blackish color.
Okay. That shows if it gives bluish black color, it shows that there is a presence of carbohydrate. Very good. Varun Sharma, you are raising your hand. Want to answer something or you want to question something?
Ma'am, tincture is also called as arishina. Ma'am.
No. Tincture solution will be there. Okay, the tincture solution will be high in iodine.
Ma'am, it is turmeric, no ma'am?
It contains high amount of iodine. It is not turmeric. Tincture solution to treat any infection and all, the doctor will be cleaning.
Not
At that
Dettol.
time you will get some, like Dettol only. You'll get some burning sensation there.
And we can put Dettol.
No, tincture will be available. Okay. Fine? Fine, students. Okay, listen now.
How to test the presence of proteins in our food?
So next, how to test the presence of proteins that are present in our food. How can we test the protein?
Now, let us take pea seed to test the presence.
What is this pea seed? Everyone has seen the screen. Pea seed is being taken. Batani. Okay, pea seed is being taken.
Of protein. Copper sulfate and caustic soda solution.
As I told you already, which are the chemical substances you will be using? Copper sulfate solution and caustic soda solution you will be using. Okay, that will be in the form of salt. You have to add it to water and dilute it. Both are in the form of salt crystals. Copper sulfate will be blue in color. Which color copper sulfate will be? Blue in color. That will be in the form of salt. You have to dissolve it in water and make it as a solution.
Required for this
Friends,
test.
already time up. Please see how.
Copper sulfate solution is prepared by
See how it is
dissolving
being prepared. I told you it is blue colored salt.
grams of copper sulfate in 100 milliliters of water.
So 2 grams of copper sulfate is taken and it is dissolved in 100 ml of water. You can see here 100 ml of water. And you have to dissolve it.
Likewise,
Ma'am, the
caustic
video is
soda
not
solution
clear.
is prepared by adding 10 grams of caustic soda.
Okay, students, already
Ma'am, the
time up.
video is not clear.
It may disconnect now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow let us continue. Bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Complete your classwork.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.